So sad news. Those channels like mine who have less than 1,000 subscribers are going to get demonetized after February 20th. I just got the email. I read it. I'm still shocked. So shocked that I had to make this video before I even get home. I just got out of work and I can't believe what I read. And here's the thing. You got to look at the positive. You know, you always got to be positive about things. Just those of you who are upset like myself, because this small channel, like YouTube, it's a small amount they give you, but it was enough to keep me motivated, and I'm still gonna be motivated. But at least like you did work and you put in the work, and you did, and you know the videos you upload, your content you upload is motivating. You know that the little you do, you get a little bit of a compensation for that. So I'm still gonna do what I normally do, but I'm gonna have to work a little bit harder to producing more content and better content to get the subscribers. I gotta earn those subscribers. So I'm gonna ask you now, if you're watching this video, subscribe to my channel, help out, at least to get it to 1,000. From there, I don't care how slow it grows, but I just want the monetization back, so like that I can, you know, get that little incentive for the work I do. And it's not a lot of work, but you know, for little I get, I feel like it compensates the time and effort that I do in these videos, and which is good. Obviously, the more subscribers I get, the better the compensation is. But I'm satisfied with what I'm getting so far. You know, it's not a full-time job. You know, it's just a hobby where I get a little bit of reward for the little work that I do, editing the videos or uploading the videos, taking the time to do reviews and stuff. By the way, the background music is Stranger Things. I just finished watching both seasons. Awesome. But yeah, going back to the demonetization. For those, like I said, for those upset, just keep uploading videos. Don't give up. Just keep doing videos and just try to produce better quality. And if your work is good, you're gonna get the subscribers. You know, every so often, you know, I tell my wife, "Hey, look, we just got another subscriber." I get the notifications. It's not that many where I have to disable notifications, so it's good and a bad thing, right? So every time I get an email alert when I get a new subscriber. So I tell my wife, "Oh, we just got another subscriber," and it's like it's happening more frequently. I feel like it's as I'm getting more subscribers, and as time goes, I feel like it's what you call it? I feel like it's going faster, you know. So it is growing faster than what it was before. So again, if you're out there, if you're a small-time channel like me, less than 1,000, just don't give up. Keep uploading those videos, and eventually the channel will get there. The question is, how long will it take? I feel like it's gonna take a while, but let's see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and as soon as I get home, I'm uploading this video. I'm gonna make a modified version of my overall. This is just my initial impression, so I may do another video talking about it and figure out what's going on. I'll probably watch other people's videos, especially the big YouTubers who's gonna report on this, and see what happens. But this is just my initial impression. Again, as soon as I get home, I'll upload this and see what happens. Anyway, take care.